Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, where today we're reviewing a 3.0 USB-C 68 watt fast charger. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a travel charger that is 68 watts from the company PowerLot. And let me just tell you guys, this is really impressive. This means if you have any MacBooks or phones that support extremely fast charging, like the phones that support 67 watt fast charging, 33 watt fast charging, 20 watt fast charging, you can utilize this USB-C fast charger to charge up those devices really fast and very rapidly. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like. That just greatly informs me, keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about it, product information, details, and specifications will be listed down below in the description for those who want to get more information about this PD68, not PD, well, it is power delivery, but it's 68 watt power delivery USB-C charger. So what we're going to do now is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says PowerLot travel charger. There is a few specifications on the back. You guys can see it says PD68 GaN charger, or GaN. Let's actually open it up and see what's actually inside. So I'm going to open it up. You guys can see we're greeted with the goodie inside the packaging. It says PowerLot in the middle, and we have two different ports. So the top port supports 18 watt, but the bottom supports 68 watt max. So if you want to charge a device that's 68 watts, I think it's recommended to only use that one port. But if you want to utilize both, it will decrease the power because it's going to have to split between the two ports. The back side, obviously, we got our adapter for it, the power. So when we plug this in, this is the port that we need to plug into to our power supply to supply this with power. And then they didn't include anything else. And yeah, we're going to definitely test this out with my phone and see how fast and how good it can actually charge up devices. So what I'm going to do now is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring one of these USB extensions that I have on the floor, and we're going to actually plug this in. We could plug it into this port right here. And I have a phone that supports 33 watt fast charging. I wished I had one that supports 68 fast watt charging, but since my phone only supports 33 watt fast charging, it is going to cap at that speed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take USB-C to USB-C cable, and we're going to plug this into the 68 watt max port, just like that, and we'll plug the other end into my phone. And this should show on here. Let me power it off so we can see the charge animation. You guys can see right now it's currently at 44% and it's quick charge. And I did mention, my phone only supports 33 watt fast charging. We do have a blue indication LED light right here letting us know that this is being in use, and it's going to charge up my phone really fast. You guys can already see it's already at 45%. This phone actually can go from 0 to 100 in less than an hour. I think it takes about 57 minutes. So if I had this plugged in from the my phone being completely dead, it should only take me under an hour to charge up this phone. So it's been about 5 minutes since I actually plugged this into the 68 watt fast charger. Let's actually see its percentage. What I'm going to do is actually disconnect it and plug it back in. And you guys can see it's at 52%. And keep in mind, we started with only 44%. So it's really doing a fast, fantabulous job of charging up this phone really fast and quickly. So it's doing its job is what I'm basically trying to say. But with that being said, we're gonna move over to the final opinions and remarks and then end off this video. So So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this USB Type-C 68-watt fast charger from the company PowerLot. Well, let me just tell you guys, it did a fantastic job and it did its job really well. You know, it was able to charge up my phone really rapidly as I plugged it in. I only plugged it in for 5 minutes and it already increased by almost 10%. And my phone does support, you know, it can go from 0 to 100 in about 1 hour, and it comes with 5,000 milliamp battery. So my phone is a pretty big battery. You know, it can literally last a whole day. And you know, with this, I can easily get my phone charged up really rapidly and get on the move. You know, especially like when I film 8K on this phone, you know, I want to be able to, you know, charge it up really quickly so I can get back onto shooting whatever I was shooting prior to my phone dying. So, because you know, when filming videos and stuff, it can drain your battery. But you can also utilize this charger for laptops, iPhones, you know, different devices that does support the USB-C interface. So there's a lot of different possibilities with this 68-watt fast charger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. If you guys have any inquiries or questions about this product, you guys can do so by leaving a comment for me to check out as I reply and respond to all my comments. So if any questions about this product, definitely leave a comment down below for me. If you guys do enjoy this video, or did enjoy this video I should say, make sure you go down below and leave a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. If you guys need to get in contact with me, such businesses want to get in contact with me, or if you guys need any assistance with this product, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance. That is the email address you can use to reach out to me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about it, you know, product information, details, specifications will be listed down below in the description for those who want to get more info or those who are actually interested in this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching and have a good rest of your day.